This one says simple border for logo, and he's paying $20 for it. Below that, you find edit my logo until I'm happy with it, and this person is offering $15 for it. Okay, let's come over here and see. Do a minimalist, modern, versatile luxury business logo starting from $25. And get this, all this can be done from your smartphone. Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get clients while working as a graphics designer in 2021 or 2022. It's the end of the year and many businesses are trying to go online, so there's no better time to key into this than this moment. Okay, so many of my subscribers usually tell me to make a video about getting clients, how to get clients. So I assume you already know how to design. This video will just show you how to get clients. But before I jump right into the content of this video, there are some things I would like to state here before you can start getting consistent clients. Okay, the first one is that you have to have a strong portfolio, because most businesses will want to see the work you've done in the past before they can trust you with their own brand. And the best way to put your foot out there is to build in portfolio. And getting those portfolio, you can do some free jobs for maybe your siblings, your friends, to just promote their businesses. You create logos for them and you have a portfolio where you can showcase that work that you've done. Okay, secondly, this is more like an advice. I would suggest you be specific if you want to go, because graphics designing is versatile. There is photo editing, there is logo design, there is flyer design, business card design, there is branding, and a whole lot in the design space. So you have to be specific so that once someone is looking for, so that you'll be the go-to person when someone is looking for something in particular. For example, if you want to focus on logo designing, you make sure you are the best at it, so that when they are looking for a logo designer, you will be the first person that comes to mind. Okay, with that out of the way, I know most of you are excited about the content of this video. I'm going to jump right into it and show you 5 ways you can get clients while working as a smartphone graphics designer. So you don't have to have a laptop before you can start getting clients. You can use your smartphone and design for clients and also get paid. I do that and I get paid as a graphics designer. So I'll show you my five ways I get clients. I don't use all of them, but the ones I use has been consistent for me. But I will show you the ones you can also try out to get clients for yourself. Okay, the first one is joining freelance websites. In the beginning of this video, you saw me mention some jobs that has been posted on freelance websites, and one of the two main popular freelance websites you can join is Fiverr and Canva. There is other ones like We Work Remotely, Freelancer. All those ones also have opportunities, but Fiverr and Canva and Upwork has been proven to be the most reliable when it comes to freelance gigs. So in Fiverr, for example, you can see this guy is he's doing a minimalist logo, and from the looks of it, this can be achieved using Pixel Lab application or Pixart. So you can do this using your smartphone and showcase your work. And the most important part, freelancing is a whole different skill on its own. So this is the part I was mentioning, that you need to have a portfolio. Like you can see here, he's advertising the works he's done. These are the logos he has done, and he's posting them so that anyone that wants to hire him will see all the jobs he has done. So before you can join, and it's free to join this freelance website, and and you need to have a portfolio so that when you create your own gig, you can upload it on you can upload the images to accompany your gig, so that when people click on your gig, they will see some of the work you've done. And also on Upwork, you see most employers posting opportunities which you can apply for. If you are chosen for the gig, you discuss with the client, and you get the job for that. Honestly, I haven't been into freelancing in detail because I get my clients from another source, but this another huge opportunities I'm hoping to explore, and I'm going to do that. Once I do that, I will show you my results so far. For now, I focus more on another aspect, which is the second aspect I'm going to discuss to you now. Okay, the second way you can get clients is using your Instagram, your social media pages, for example, your Instagram and your Facebook account. I will show you my page now. Okay, this is my business page on Instagram, and I post some of the works I've done for some clients. I rarely post on this page, but because I already have some works here, whenever I want to advertise my portfolio, I just send in this my page, and the clients will see some of the work I've done, and I immediately get the gigs. Most of my jobs are not on this website, but it is a portfolio I use to get clients. And another way you can maximize your profit on Instagram or Facebook is to run promotion. Like you can see, I've promoted this page and gotten some engagement for it. So once you create your post, you run promotions for it, and you will reach newer audience. So that's about the second way to get client as a graphics designer. Thirdly, I know most of us we live in communities where there are local businesses. You can walk up to them and advertise your business. You can just do a market survey and understand what the brand is about. Let's say you pick a brand about building materials, for example. If the brand is not online, you can walk up to them and propose that you can get them more clients once they take their business online, and you sell them your logo design skills or your branding skills, whichever one you are selling to them. You can pitch to them that they can get more clients, which is true. For businesses that are online, the opportunities are more for them, and the chances of meeting newer audiences are also high. So once you talk to them in such a way that you make them understand that taking their businesses online is the way forward for them. For example, during the COVID lockdown, some businesses were bankrupt because they were not online and people were not going out to buy stuff like that. So if you pitch to them the disadvantages of not being online, they will be ever willing to support you and to engage with you and also buy what you're selling to them. So fourthly, I don't know if this is the fourth one or the third one. Okay, the fourth one is through word of mouth / referrals. This works when you've already put your foot out there and you've gotten like one or two clients. For example, most times I get messages through WhatsApp, Instagram, and the client will say that I was referred to them by a colleague or a friend. So stuff like that. Once you deliver your job well, you tend to get referrals from your past clients, and that's just the way you grow. Because if one person can refer another person to you, that that means you've gotten two consistent clients, and that person in turn can refer another person to you. So you see how it grows. So the best to maximize this part, you need to be good at what you do so that you have returning customers and returning clients, and you also get referrals. Okay, lastly, about getting clients while working as a graphic designer is to apply for jobs online. Most people don't like the term freelancing. Most people prefer working in an office. You can get a job as a graphics designer in an office near you, or you can also work remotely as a graphics designer. Let me pull up my browser here. Okay, and there are many websites where you can see graphics design jobs, which you can do. If it's a remote job, you can do it with your smartphone. Okay, most companies they require people that have knowledge on some laptop tools such as Photoshop or CorelDRAW. But if you can get the job, I think if you can get the job delivered, that's the most important thing to your employer. Getting the job delivered and on time. It doesn't matter the tool you use. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop. Okay, I just did a search for graphics designer remote jobs, and these are the results that pulled out. So this website remote.pro, you see design related jobs there. Workremotely.com. Even on LinkedIn, you can get remote graphics design jobs or on-site graphic design jobs. So the opportunities are much. What is required is for you to have a good portfolio and a good understanding of the concept. You cannot I just have to be honest with you. No one is going to employ you if your skills are substandard, because most businesses, they want to maximize their profits and they are not willing to employ someone that won't deliver on the tasks that he has been given. So if you've built your portfolio and you have the basic understanding on graphics design, or if you want to focus on logo designing, you know how to design logo. It doesn't matter the tool you use. You can use your laptop, you can use your smartphone. What is more important is for you to deliver stunning designs to your clients, to your employer, or with anybody you are working with. So that's the 5 ways of getting clients. If there is anyone I didn't cover in this video, let me know in the comment section below. Also, I want to know how your experience so far as a graphics designer has been. You can let me know that in the comment section as well. And lastly, if you are new to graphics designing, if you are new to logo designing and want to learn more, I teach people how to create logos on my channel. I teach photo editing as well. So you can subscribe to my channel and check out some of my playlists. I'll put a link to my logo design playlist so that anyone that wants to give that a watch can watch that. Lastly, again, Pixel Lab is a tool for graphics designer. You can use it to create stunning designs, and I've talked extensively about Pixel Lab on my channel. I have a lot of videos, both beginner and advanced videos. So do well to check my playlist on Pixel Lab to learn more about that if you are a beginner, and also brush up your skills. Even if you are experienced, try to watch other videos and learn how to use other tools as well. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Writers.